Hey, what's up, guys? Here to tell you a little bit about something I've recently been taking. It is Trader Joe's Turmeric Standardized Extract Dietary Supplement, and this jar comes with 60 capsules. So I love Trader Joe's stuff. I do a lot of videos on them because I'm always at that store, but don't worry. If you don't live near Trader Joe's, you can order so many of their products online very easily. Just a little bit about this. So I didn't really know about turmeric. My sister-in-law, who's like a bit of a health nut, was telling me how good it is for you, and I'm like, oh, I really better start to like incorporate a little bit of it in my diet. And I thought that the easiest way to do that would be take the pills, because sometimes the taste of it's okay. You could add like turmeric powder or real turmeric to food, but this just, I don't know if it's the best way to get it in your system from the pills, but for me, I'm like, okay, I'm starting off slow. I'm not really used to the taste yet. Don't know if I'm ready to cook with it yet. I'm like, let me just try this out. So it's a good inflammatory. Like, I know 4 signs of systematic inflammation could be brain fog, scattered thoughts, poor concentration, which is of course part of aging, but it could be silent inflammation. Memory impairment, which, yes, again, could be from getting a little bit older, but it also could be from when the brain is inflamed. Aches and pains. Silent inflammation can create heightened pain sensitivity in the body, as well as common everyday aches and pains in joints and muscles. So that could be systematic inflammation as well, and mood issues, which I know, I guess those are all like kind of normal things to experience, but I'm definitely feeling them, and I'm not liking it. So I'm like, let me try this turmeric out. And I've only been taking it for like 2-3 weeks now. I have noticed the difference. I definitely feel better since I've been taking these. I'll show you a little bit on the bottle. So suggested use: take 1 capsule daily as a dietary supplement, preferably with a meal. I always make sure I take pills with a meal because I could get nauseous and stuff like that. People with medical conditions should check with their physician before using this or any dietary supplement, and keep out of reach of children, and store in a cool, dry place. So I just keep it in a medicine cabinet where I have a couple other things, Advil, liquid gels, and some other like vitamins and stuff I take every day. So just store it in a nice room temperature place. So other ingredients: silicone dioxide, magnesium, and microcrystalline cellulose. Distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's. Vegan, so all you vegans out there, this is fine for you to take. It's 500 milligrams of turmeric per serving. That gives you the daily value. Expiration 2020, quite a while from now. And 60 capsules. So if you take 1 daily, this will be good for you for about 3 months, and then you won't have to worry about reordering. So I would say every 3 months, get a new jar and retake it. So another thing turmeric is supposed to be really good for is digestion, and like I said before, mood. So it helps for optimal mood balance, which is great. And I just think there's so many health benefits that my sister-in-law was telling me about it. So I'm just like, you know what, I have to incorporate it into my diet. And since I've been taking these, I don't feel as achy, and I definitely just feel better. I don't feel as much brain fog as I did before. I definitely think that, you know, if you guys are interested in your health and stuff like that, you could, and if you haven't yet, definitely try to incorporate turmeric into your diet. So I'm going to open this for you guys and show you what the pills look like. I just had a little snack. I had some peanut butter crackers with these before I take it, but usually in the morning I'll take all my vitamins and what pills that I'm going to take for the day. I'll take it with my breakfast. So the pills, they have like a little bit of it feels like a plastic coating over it. My hands are small, but you guys could see the size. Now, I have no issue swallowing pills, but I know some people do, so I could see this being a little bit harder to swallow than, say, like a soft gel or something like that, because of the size and because it's like a little bit harder. So my suggestion is, since I know some people that do have issues swallowing pills, just put it on your spoonful of yogurt. If you're having yogurt in the morning after a snack, put it in your yogurt, or put it on a spoon with applesauce, and that'll make it go down easier, and then you won't even realize you're swallowing it. Because I know sometimes with water is so loose that when you're swallowing a pill with it, that could be uncomfortable and provoke like a gag reflex. I mean, I have no issue swallowing pills, but that's happened to me when I've taken a lot at a time, or just big ones, or whatever the case is. So that little trick should help you if you have any issues with that. But again, that's Trader Joe's turmeric, great for anti-inflammatory, helping out your joints with mood balance, and just if you have any kind of like memory impairment or any kind of issues like that you're dealing with. All in all, just a really great product to add to your everyday diet. So I hope you guys will try Trader Joe's Turmeric Dietary Supplement, 60 capsules. I hope it helps you guys, and I really hope you found the video useful. Thank you so much for watching.